How to fix Snapchat messages. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do, open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps now right here, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. What you have to do is wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find Snapchat. When you find it, click on it like this, click on force stop and then go to the storage. Click on clear data and click on delete right here. After that, what you want to do next is go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and then disable it, and then open the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it like this. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.